This is the demo video for the Berson-Sokol online quoting tools for the ancillary products. It includes hospital indemnity and dental. In order to start a new quote, we'll start with hospital indemnity. We'll click Run Quote underneath hospital indemnity. We can then either select a client from our dropdown, create a new client by entering the client name, or do a quick quote by entering their zip code, selecting their age, gender, tobacco status, and how we'd like to sort the results by. We'll go ahead and hit Get Quote, and we'll see all of our plans available here listed by price. We can see our top plan here is $6.08 for Medico Insurance Company, the 6 days. Household discount was 7%. We see a policy fee if there is one, and we see all the other plan details and included benefits listed here. We can always go into quote options and click View Plan Details to see a more detailed display of these hospital indemnity plans. And the great thing about this hospital indemnity tool is you can change the benefit amount and it will show how it affects the price for this hospital indemnity plan. So you can always add in different benefit amounts and really customize the plan that best suits your client. It will then show you how much it will add in the cost for these different benefits that we add in. We can then print or do a PDF of just this plan by itself, or if we go back to the full details or full list of our plans that are available, we can do a print export or PDF export, which would export the entire list of all the different companies. We can also do visit carrier resources and it will link us to the carrier's website. Or we can also choose to expand or contract our quotes. So if we want to see a simplified version of these plans, we can contract the quotes by unselecting expand quotes, and then we can do an export by printing or PDF, and it will show exactly how it shows on the screen. We can also do the compare quotes as we can for all of our quoting products. It will populate the 3 plans, up to 5 plans that you select at once, and then when you click the compare quotes button, it will show these plans you selected side by side. Again, you can always customize these benefit amounts, and then you can print or PDF this page. And we'll go ahead and take us back to our full list here, and then we'll go back to the dashboard in order to move to our next quoting tool, which is the dental quoting tool. We'll go ahead and select Run Quote. Again, we can select a client from the dropdown or create a new client, or we can do a quick quote by entering the zip code, selecting the age, gender, tobacco status, and how we'd like to sort the results by. And then we can choose if we want a dental or vision plan, or maybe we want to do both. We can select which plans or which products, rather, we would like to run the quote for. We can also choose our covered members, and then we'll hit Get Quote. So I've selected dental and vision for an individual. So that's how we'll see our results listed, and they will be sorted by price. So once our results load here, we'll notice that for all of our quoting tools, the style is very similar, how the results are listed. A lot of the same features are the same. We can expand or contract our quotes. We can do exports. So we'll just wait for this to load here. So you can see at the top, our top plan is this Emeritus plan at $10.67. It shows us that it is a base plan. It shows all the plan details listed here. On the left-hand side of our screen, we can expand or contract our quotes. We can remove the dental product or remove the vision product. And then it will show us our results based on what we change here. We can change our covered members. We can do an export by printing or PDF, as I mentioned previously. We can do the compare quote by selecting up to 5 plans at once. And then we'll hit this compare quotes button at the top. So that's something we can do for any product. We can do quote options to do the view plan details or visit carrier resources. And we can always select, the view plan details or visit carrier resources, no matter what the plan is, whether it's the hospital indemnity plan or the dental plan, they all have those similar features. If we click About Quote here, it's going to show us a few different of those tips and tricks, so we can click the plan details or the compare quotes, and it will show us how we can do each of those things. So if you ever forget, that's a good refresher. Otherwise, we can go back to our dashboard. And this video covered, again, the dental quoting tool, as well as the vision and also the hospital indemnity quoting tools for the ancillary products. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.